Hey guys, welcome to our video. So this one is opening some packages, and I know one is game, and I think this one is purses, like the little fabric doll purses, but I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure that's what they should be. So we will see what ones are in here. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Appreciate them wrapping it nicely. Okay. 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 They use cling wrap. At least I think it's cling wrap. Okay. Okay. Almost. Got it. Maybe. Yes. Okay. This one is a pair of sunglasses. I think it is a Monster High one, but it may not be. A Rainbow High fanny pack. One of the main reasons I bought this was this cute cheetah print bag. It's kind of like a faux leather material, and inside is Laguna's kelp chips. So I think those may be Laguna's glasses then. We have these orange drippy heels. I'll probably have to flip you around to show them better up close. And this little bag that comes with every handbag that's in these. Also don't expect the bag that give me a second, came in this color for Rainbow High to be in here. They're just reusing this because it was a lot I bought. Ooh. This one has a chain on it. Laguna's little fanny pack. Ooh, I saw a necklace. Laguna's necklace, which is kind of hard to see it. Here, a green bag, because I thought that also looked really good with my custom doll I've been working on. This one I know is another reason I picked it. Another pink bag, if a kind of quilted material, and nothing inside. One thing I noticed, oh yeah, this one does. It has like a little magnet on it, and I noticed that the last time I was opening these kinds of bags, because I didn't realize it before, but after I turned the camera off, I was like, huh, those have a good boop. So, they have a little magnet in them to close them. That is awesome, at least on those kind. We have this sparkly kind of tote bag, and inside we have a wallet from one of the 5 Surprise balls. Hello School Bus, and we have a purse. This one. Oh, it has a cute little heart and keychain. Oh, that's adorable. Gotta get the handbag strap out. We have Laguna's phone. Got it. Which I obviously almost dropped. They left in the sparkle gift wrapping for some reason, and gave us Laguna's little flask. So I'm gonna open the game up next. Then we can flip you around to look at some of the details a bit closer. We'll see if they sent me the right game for the right console this time. The last one I ordered, they gave me the right game, wrong console. So, let's see. Yes, it's the Kingdom Hearts game. I bought it pre-owned for pretty cheap. So they gave me the right game for the right console. So I'll get this up and flip you around. Okay, over here we have the fanny packs. I'm gonna safely assume those are Laguna's glasses. I should probably look at the one I have to make sure, but considering we have a lot of the rest of her stuff, I'm pretty certain that's hers. And here's the close-up of the kind of cheetah print bag. I love it. I didn't realize there was a brush in there, but there was also a brush in there. So, yeah. I don't know whose shoes those are. They seem too small to be Rainbow High or Monster High. So I think they may be LOL Surprise, but I could be wrong. I'll have to see if they fit on my Monster High girls. If not, I will just probably have to put these in the clothing bin to kind of wait around until I find someone they can fit. And here we have the pink bag, a close-up of the little boop, the chain. Here we have the other one. There's the heart, and there's the key. Here's the green bag, and my game. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this lot I got. I was already excited about it for like the few bags, but the rest is really good too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.